Hi, my name's Lorna Evans, and today we want to do a really soft modern finger wave. We've gone through and we have tonged the hair just very lightly. We're now going to use the curved comb along with the long waving clamps just to give the hair a little bit more of a bite, so to keep it quite natural feel to the hair. You'll notice that the curved comb sits very curvature to the head, allowing you to then apply the waving clamp straight on top of the comb. We like to use a card just to stop any markings of the hair. I'm going to come through and I'm just going to do a very gentle twist to the hair, and I'm going to secure in with our unique Kingpin. To use the Kingpin, you're going to open the bottom deck of the Kingpin and attach to the hair that you're wanting to hold. We're then going to take a simple bobby pin and just click around just to cover the top of the Kingpin. We've taken out the waving clamps. I'm then going to just scaffold it into place using some long ripple pins. This just allows me to know where I want to hold the hair before I then will put a couple of little secret bobby pins in just to hold into place. I'm going to finish with some beautiful Jeanette Marie jewellery.